Hey Jammers, it's Jessica 101-377. Sorry, I don't really I like small screen when I show. And I hope you guys saw my new video. I was this fox. I didn't have the Arctic wolf though. I didn't have that. I didn't have the top hat. So I had this hat. And it's called Killing Phantoms Sideboard Dash Animal Jam Dash. Not sideboard, sorry. But I hope you guys like that. I think it's a lot better than, what's it called? My thrift shop video. I'm sorry, I messed up on that. I'm just mostly doing this video because I'm bored. As you can see, we got raccoons. They're so beautiful. But as you can see, I still love tigers. They're beautiful animals too. I'm just gonna warn you about some scammers also, since I'm bored. Okay. This girl right here, her name used to be CD 1960 supposedly, so she changed it. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. Let me turn on this music. Sorry, that's kind of creepy. Her username is BetaThing101, XX BetaThing101. I'm just gonna warn you about her. She scammed my scary bat wings. Stray dog. She has like 7 spikes and whatnot. And classical chicken. He's a pretty nice guy. He was helping me get a spike, but then I messed up. And I've been playing a lot. Cute puppy. She is the best. But do not try these people. You could, but yeah. And I'm just gonna do this one person. Good job. Her name is curlyblb. She's very nice. But you guys can't trust her on anything. I'm just doing this so she can get more subscribers. Subscribe her. I don't know what her what's it called is, her YouTube thing. So I don't know how you're gonna subscribe her, but you can look up her on Animal Jam and tell her how you saw her on this video that this person made. That person's name is Jessica 101-377. I'm very bored. And I finished, doing stuff. I can help with it. As you can see, rare Monday item for the day was a rare astronaut. And then we got a new hat someone made. Eagle hat. Cowboy season. And then these curly wigs are going in clearance, so they're not gonna be for sale anymore. Just warning you. And by the way, These are not members, just telling you. Say something. Let's do... La 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 la. Let's do scaredy music. Obviously, you guys could tell I'm Jen. I'm obsessed with Jen. And I'm just gonna warn you about scammers. If someone's all like, trade me, I dare you, and they have stuff that you could buy on there, yes, you can flash them. They'll probably teach them. But just don't do that because they'll accept if it's really good. That's their point. Obviously you guys wouldn't do that, but some of you just are new on Animal Jam. And I just want to warn you. I don't want new people getting scammed. I got scammed a lot. Oh! I have to tell you. This, sorry. Okay. I know he's my buddy and all, but he, Blob4777, he scammed my claw. I know I'm kind of stupid for that, but I was gonna get a spike, and then he scammed me. He's mean. See? He was gonna give me that spike. Boom. Darn person. But no, that's a stupid trade. And just try not to get scammed. Like if someone go like, I'll send you this or that, just don't listen. That would be the smart way. Oh, I don't want that. I traded my headdress for a rare claw. Pretty coolio. I know, that's creepy. I'm weird like that. Let's listen to the Birdie the Animal song. That's my star. Ooh. Okay. You guys could send me stuff, please. I love you forever. Subscribe, like, comment, do your guys' thing. And if I get enough rares or something, I'll do a rare giveaway. If I get something. So that's if I do mail time. I could get a whole bunch of stuff and do mail time, but I guarantee it will not be a rare Monday item. Oh, and they got Arctic wolves. You guys probably can tell, but and tigers too. Tigers are so cute. See? Ain't she cute? And they also got tail armors. Oh. Epic Wonders. Here. They have the new birthstones, just letting you know. And then another shout out is in the summer tail, raccoon tails are coming back. Obviously you could tell because everybody who had their tickets before still has them. So you'll be able to get those. And if I were you, I would buy a whole bunch and then save them. If I were you, just like buy one for you and then get others so you can trade. Wait until summer's over. And people will be like, oh my god, she's so rare. Sorry. And in July, I don't know if there's gonna be what's it called? Sorry, I'm trying to think. If the Freedom Wings are gonna be sale. We're gonna be for sale. Sorry, I can't speak today. If you guys know about that, if they're sale last year, can you please tell me? I love you forever. I don't know if I will or not, but you people should know me by now. I'm kidding. You guys are fathers. Okay, like, subscribe, comment, share, not the Facebook. I don't want to be humiliated. But whatever. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.